Hi guys, it's Rachelle here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different from what I normally do on my channel. In this video, I will be unboxing a bunch of my sound recording gear. So if you didn't know, I actually work on films, and one of the areas I'm interested in is sound, more specifically location sound. So because I'm officially done university and I'm now looking for projects to work on, I decided to invest in my own sound equipment. As you can see here, I got a lot of stuff. All this stuff behind me right now isn't actually everything I bought. I actually have more things on the way. I actually wanted to wait until everything came to unbox it all, but unfortunately that's not really possible because I do have a shoot this weekend that I need to use this stuff on. So that means I have to unbox what I have here right now. Then I have to unbox the other stuff later when they come in. So this video is going to be like a couple days combined together. When I watch unboxing videos, I know that they usually unbox the product and then they usually talk about the details of the product afterwards. I'm not going to do that in this video. This is kind of like an unconventional unboxing video, just because if I were to talk about all the details of each product I bought, this video would be very, very long. Also, I didn't really want to bore you guys with sound talk because I know that if I wasn't a sound person, I would probably get very lost within the first minute of the discussion. I'm also not a tech YouTuber, so making a full-on unboxing video just doesn't fit with the other content on my channel. Yeah, so for those reasons, I actually wasn't sure if I wanted to do an unboxing video, but then I was like, well, I need to open this stuff anyway, so might as well make a video out of it. So this video is basically gonna be a chat with me about random stuff while I unbox my gear. I'm excited for this. This is gonna be fun. But before we get into this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon to stay up to date of when and what I post, and give this video a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get into this unboxing video. Okay, what should we start with first? I think I'm gonna start with this one right here. Okay, so the first thing I am opening is my mixer, my field recorder. I got the Zoom F6. Oh, this actually comes with 4 AA batteries. One of the ways to actually power the Zoom F6 is through AA batteries, so it makes sense why they would come with it. Okay, I'm trying to take this actual recorder out, but it's literally stuck inside. Hello? I got it! This is the recorder. Wow, this is actually a lot smaller than I thought it would be. So one of the main reasons why I actually bought this recorder is because it records in 32-bit float. Essentially, 32-bit float just means higher dynamic range in audio. To simplify that even more, it means that when you're recording, you have more headroom before the audio peaks. You don't want your audio to peak because when it peaks, it becomes distorted and it doesn't sound good. So having more dynamic range is amazing. When you record in 32-bit float, even if your audio does peak, you can fix it in post. In post, when you play back, it'll sound super distorted, but when you lower the gain, it actually fixes the audio, like it's no longer distorted, and it actually sounds good. Before deciding on buying this, I actually did a lot of research, and I saw a video of someone actually playing with that feature, and let me tell you, it was so cool. First of all, I was mind blown, and I was like, that's magic. And then I was like, I want it, and now I have it. I'm so excited to test that feature out. I love how I said at the beginning of this video that I wasn't gonna talk about the details of each product, but here I am going in detail about 32-bit float. Let's unbox this next. When you're recording, you of course need some good headphones. So the headphones I got are the Technica M40s. So these are actually open, but I just put them back in the box for this video. So let me tell you why they're already open. The week these came in, my brother came into my room and he saw these. And apparently he watches a lot of tech YouTubers and they all talk about this one pair of headphones. So he wanted to try them out to see if they were actually really good, which means he was the one to unbox them and try them out first. Yeah, I didn't even get to try on my own headphones first. I did try them on after him, and I will say they do sound pretty nice. So I'm just gonna pretend that I'm unboxing this for the first time. The first thing in the box is a little pouch for your headphones. Then of course we have the actual headphones themselves. What's also in this box are the headphone cables. It comes with 2 cables, one that's coiled and one that's not coiled. Something I never understood about Audio-Technica headphones is why the cable is so long. Like, look at this. There's so much cable. Like, who needs this much cable for headphones? The coiled one is a lot shorter, but it's still pretty long in my opinion. On to the next item. This right here is my shotgun mic. I got the Sennheiser MKH416. It's so pretty. If you don't know what a shotgun mic is, it is the mic that sits on a boom pole. So in the box, we of course got the shotgun mic. It's so clean. Oh my god. It looks so nice when it's brand new. Let me tell you something. Out of all the gear I bought, this mic is the most expensive piece in my entire kit. When I was researching all of this gear to see which one I wanted for my kit, I always thought the recorder was gonna be the most expensive piece. But no, I was wrong. Turns out shotgun mics are more expensive. Depending on which one you get though, because there are cheaper shotguns, but they don't sound as great. Also in this box, we have the windscreen and we have the mount to attach it to your boom pole. I did order a separate mount. It hasn't came yet, so I will use this for the time being, but I don't plan on using this that often. The next thing I'm gonna unbox is the blimp. This blimp I bought is by Rode, but it also has a ride coat on board. Ride coat is basically the suspension part of the blimp. Basically, the suspension makes the mic float, so you don't really pick up the vibrations when recording. I think that's a good way of explaining it. Here's the blimp. This is pretty much it. There's not much to the blimp. I will be putting my shotgun mic here and putting it into this blimp when we're shooting outside. All the blimp does is just to reduce the wind when you're shooting outside. It also comes with a dead cat. When it's new, it's so nice. Oh my god. The ones I've just used have just been through a lot and they don't exactly feel this nice and soft. I also got 2 lav sets. I got the Sennheiser EW100 G4s. I have 2, but I'm only gonna unbox 1 just because it would literally be me unboxing the same thing twice. So in this box, we have 4 AA batteries. There's also the lav mic and a clip. This mic would connect to the transmitter, which is this one right here. This one would go on the actor. In this box, there's also an XLR cable. This one would attach to the receiver, which is the one I wear on me. The batteries would just go in here. Yeah, the receiver and the transmitter look exactly the same. In this box, there's also a camera mount. To use this, you would attach your receiver to this and then you can mount it onto your camera. I don't think I will have a use for this piece, but I'll just keep it in my kit. And that is everything that comes in this box. I also got XLR cables. I have a 6-footer and a 10-footer. This is my sound bag. This bag is absolutely necessary so I can have all my gear on me and boom at the same time. It also comes with this plastic cover to go on top of the bag. I guess this is more so for when you're shooting outside and it's raining. Obviously you don't want your gear to get wet because that's expensive and water literally damages technology. I forgot to mention before, but this is the Orca brand. The last thing that came in so far is in this big box. I got an Nanook case. This one is the 918. In this box, I plan to put my Zoom recorder in and my 2 lavs. There's a lot of different colors to choose from when you order it, but I just got black because I believe the other colors were like neon colors and they were just too bright for my liking. So inside we got some foam. It's pretty deep. I haven't figured out how I'm gonna put my gear in yet. I don't know if I'm gonna put the Zoom at the bottom or the lavs at the bottom. Either way, something's gonna go at the bottom and then I'm gonna put something on top. This foam is like perforated already, so you just pluck it to fit whatever gear you want to use it for. Yeah, so I'm gonna fit all my equipment in here later. That is a problem for tomorrow or the day after. Yeah, okay, so that is all the equipment I have so far. I still have a couple things coming in. I'm still waiting on a boom pole, a shock mount, and 2 carrying cases. I have absolutely no idea when those are coming in. I don't even think they have been shipped out yet, which is kind of tragic because I really need my boom pole and those carrying cases. So for this show I have this weekend, I had to rent a boom pole because mine isn't here yet, which is kind of sucky, but oh well. Also, I would really like my carrying cases because I need a way to carry all of this stuff to set. Not everything is gonna fit in this little guy over here. I need a temporary carrying bag or case. So yeah, that is something I have to figure out in the next couple of days. All right, that is it for today, I guess. I will see you guys when the rest of my gear shows up. Hi guys, it is, I don't know how many weeks later it is. Probably a month since I last saw you guys, but the rest of my sound equipment just came in. So I am gonna finish this unboxing video today. Okay, what should we start with first? The first thing I am unboxing, well, not unboxing because it's not in a box, so I guess I'm unwrapping, is my boom pole. I ordered this about 3.5 months ago and it just got here. It was on back order for that long. I got this boom pole from K-Tech. The model would be the Avalon Aluminum KE110cc. This one is the one with internal cabling. Let's actually open this now. What? This has a little cap for the top. That's so cute. Here it is. I'm so so excited to try this out. I can't wait to make my booming job so much easier because now I don't have a cable running on the outside. Because let's be real, sometimes when the cable's on the outside, it's pretty annoying. The next thing I got is an accessory for my boom pole. I got a boom pole case from Orca. First of all, I got a boom pole case because I wanted to make my life easier. When moving gear and stuff, I didn't want to just hold a boom pole in my hand because knowing me, I might just trip over it or drop it or I don't know what when I'm carrying other stuff with it. So I thought it'd be very useful to get a case with like a strap so I can wear it or throw it over my shoulder or something. This case right here is the extra large size, but I actually want to get the large size because that's the one that would fit my boom pole. But I was told that the large case is on back order, and if I wanted that one, I would have to wait another 2 months to get it. And I really don't want to wait another 2 months for just a case. So I was upgraded to the extra large case. Yeah, so this boom pole case is way too big for my boom pole. I'm gonna have a lot of extra room in here, but I guess whenever I decide to upgrade my boom pole, I won't have to buy a new case then because this case would fit it. Apparently this case is for the carbon fiber boom poles that have 5 nuts. Mine is aluminum and has 4 nuts, but I really want a carbon fiber boom pole at some point. I was on a set where I was someone's boom operator and I used their carbon fiber boom pole and it was so light, it was amazing. Booming with the carbon fiber stick, it still gets a little heavy when you're holding it up for a really long time, but it's still lighter than the aluminum pole. Also, when I used that person's carbon fiber boom pole, it was also wireless. It was really, really nice to not be attached to the mixer. I was able to move so freely holding the boom pole, it was life-changing. I'm happy that I have a boom pole case, but a part of me is a little upset because I'm not gonna show you because that's kind of embarrassing, but this case is almost taller than me. Yeah, I'm kind of short. I don't know if this would make my life a little bit more difficult to carry when it's literally the height of me, but I guess we'll find out on the next project I work on and I have to carry my boom pole in this bag. The last thing I ordered is a Rycote shock mount. So this part connects to my boom pole and then I put my shotgun mic here. Basically, I'm going to be using this whenever I don't have the blimp on. I guess you can say it makes the shotgun float, so it reduces the mic rumbles. Oh, I almost forgot. I also got another case just to hold all my gear that doesn't go in my small Nanook case. I also got this really big Nanook case. This is the 960, I believe. So this one is the one with the padded dividers. There's 2 layers to the dividers. There's this top one and there's this bottom one. I actually wasn't planning on buying this case because A, it's huge. I honestly haven't seen a sound person with a big case like this. I think normally this case is meant for cameras. And B, this case is actually kind of expensive. I did want one big case to fit all of my gear, so I was planning on getting something else and not this. But the person who sold me this, they've been selling audio gear for years, and they're like, I sell this case to all my audio clients. And he gave me a really good deal on it. It was pretty good to the point where like I couldn't say no. I have one more thing to unbox. I didn't have to buy this though, I was actually gifted this. I was gifted the Audio Technica Cardioid mic. It's just a regular cardioid mic. I don't know if I would use this for film, but I'm just gonna add it to my sound kit because you never know, I might need it at some point. Inside the box we have the cardioid mic and it comes with a little pouch. Inside the pouch there was a mic stand mount. Alright guys, that is it for my unboxing video. This is pretty much my entire kit. It's quite an investment, but I don't regret it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already done so, be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!
Pull the key out the ignition, run your mouth but I never listen. You hold me back, will never last, keep talking all your shit. Wondering how all this started, you left me broken hearted. You flip my words, yeah this love hurts, keep talking all your shit.